Boy, the time is getting away from me, man. I thought I was gonna have plenty of time to do all this today, and then Logan tells me we gotta go somewhere and have dinner with some people and some other stuff, so there's no way I'm gonna get done today. But at least I'll have enough time to do this next bit. And here's that door that I'm just gonna paint on the one side. And before I do it, I'm gonna lightly sand with my 150 where I had put the paint on. There's the paintbrush. I'm not going to do it too hard. I'm going to do it enough to where I feel I've done the best I can. I know I went around the edges and I think I hit one little spot there. Hit this over here too. And that'll go away after I get the next coat of paint on there and stuff. Because remember, this one here, I'm only putting one coat back over this because of that one spot, and I've already hit everything else. I think it's actually pretty good. I think that's the only bit I needed to hit was over here. I don't want to sand too far. I don't want to take that paint off. Okay, but I want the other paint to stick on there, and I don't want that to stick out like a sore thumb when I get ready to paint. That's why I thought I would just do the extra and lightly sand. I think that's all I did on that door. Okay, but now this door here, you can definitely see the spots where I went, and I'm going to sand now gently over the areas that I went on. And see, remember where I painted down through here? I just hit that on this front edge too. You know, not a whole lot, just a little around that, because this is smooth. If it was that fake wood grain door type, I wouldn't necessarily have to do this, but this is all smooth wood. See? Go around where I did that. Ooh, don't want to go too far. Okay. I can tell that was a spot. If I get out in the light, and I'm losing daylight here a little bit, but hey, I gotta do what I gotta do, right? That paint won't necessarily flash when I put the first coat of paint on there, but you know, I'm gonna take the chance of not sanding down my edges and stuff. I'll have to do the same thing on the other side of the door when I get ready to paint over there. I'm not going to flip this around again. I'm going to wipe this down and paint it with my roller. And then I'm going to do that next. Well, I think this door's going to look good when it gets done. Better. All right. All the extra work I'm putting into it. I'm putting a little bit extra into it because it's a door we use every single day. Going into the garage, out of the garage, into the garage, out of the garage. And so, another reason why I decided I'm gonna put 2 coats on here. Okay. And I think I've done enough sanding. I'll take my rag and wipe this bad boy down and get going with the painting. I just have to remember when I flip it over that I need to sand it, just like I did with this. See, I didn't do that when I flipped it because it was still slightly, well, I don't know if it was slightly wet or not, but I didn't do it, did I? I've got to remember to do that, just so that the paint doesn't flash on the areas, or I might have left a line there. When you get all done, you think, oh yeah, there's a place, there's a place, there's a place, there's a place. Who painted this door? It looks like crap. Before you raise your hand and say, I did. Doesn't it look good? Okay. All right. I'm going to keep working on this. Now I need to kind of get, I guess I got to actually wipe the whole thing because the dust, you never know where the dust is going to go, do you? Okay, whatever. Oh, I gotta wipe it off again. It can hurt me. Not gonna hurt me. Okay. And you're right. If you said, make sure you wipe that door off, Joe. Okay, will do. Okay, that's going to turn out nice. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I hope to see you again, and I'll show you some more on these doors and beyond. I still got some other things to do at this condo renovation, so keep watching the episodes.